YouTube, good morning. Beautiful Monday morning. A little nippy out, but it feel good. We in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. We're getting some roofing materials. That's not our load, but I guess we're gonna be getting some road roofing at some point, or whatever. It ain't a hazmat load, so just backed into the dock. I had to move those because the damn trailer was too high. So they said they'll come out and get us, but they'll just open the door and start loading when they're ready. So on our way to Groveport, Ohio. Not that far, it's like 350 miles. Easy day. Can't deliver till tomorrow at 1 o'clock though, so I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna call them after I get loaded and see if I can deliver a little earlier, because I actually got a reload. We have a reload after that, picking up like 20 miles from there, going to Illinois. So it would be nice to let it deliver. Get that out of the way. We'll pick up our next reload and head up to Illinois. And then from Illinois, we're probably gonna be like 50 miles outside Chicago. So shouldn't not have a problem getting a load out of there. So, but yeah, spent what? 4 days at the house? No, 4.5. So we delivered last Wednesday and got home Wednesday afternoon and been home ever since. So yeah. So we go back here. So today's Monday morning. Yeah, so 4.5 days out. Relax, chill. I actually was sick about 2 of those days. So when I got back off the road Wednesday night, I don't know what the hell happened. It was just not good. I slept. For the time I walked in the door, I slept all day Thursday. Friday, like midday, I started feeling a little better, and I got sick again on Saturday. It was just really mess. Feeling a little better, but not 100%. Can't sit at home no longer. Bills gotta get paid. You know, it's the beginning of the month. So we're gonna see. I'll get back with y'all when they start loading the truck up. All right, folks, all loaded up and strapped down, ready to go. See y'all in a Morning, folks. Made it to Ohio. About to do our delivery, but it's always something.
What you do, YouTube?
Yes, sir.
What's your channel?
Right on the side of the truck. Not to be an uneventful morning. You know, we got the roof, the boss over here.
Yeah, I make it hard on everybody.
They got the boss over here. So we tried to get unloaded. And a TMC guy got here earlier and he delivered with no time on his clock. So now he's stuck back there holding up the damn line because he claiming he can't move his truck. And as airborne trucker would say, him and his fellow turtle truck buddies, I'm outnumbered. It's freaking 3 of them. They all got insulation. I'm outnumbered. So they trying to figure out how to, so he could drive 5 miles an hour, go out the gate and go sit in the middle somewhere. He said he got an hour till his clock, till he gets some time back. So I don't know if he knew and don't know how to drive 5 miles an hour to get out of everybody's way, but I got another load to get to because I got to reload. That's like 20 miles from here with concrete precast going to Illinois. So, and then my delivery is an appointment. So the earlier you get loaded, the earlier your appointment will be. Because I got to be in Wisconsin on Wednesday for some boats to go back to Jersey, and I got to be there by 12:15. So my time a little precious right now. So, but yeah, this week we actually had our whole week booked out. So hopefully everything works out and we can keep all those loads that we got. If not, I'm gonna be very upset. So we're gonna start unstrapping some. Oh, they coming from Carlisle too. Carlisle Insulation. All right, we're gonna start unstrapping some of this stuff. So when we get up there, we ain't got much to do, so we save some time. And I'll be back with y'all. All right, folks. Finally made it back to get unloaded. A little tight back here, but are you gonna go over some more? When was he gonna say that? Ugh. He's standing behind the trailer where I can't see him, asking me to move over some more. Not bad. We unstrapped while I was out front. Instead of just twiddling our thumbs. Unstrapped. One of my subscribers suggested I roll my straps up by hand. It's like a nice arm workout. I actually tried that today. Good forearm workout. Actually is a good workout. I might start doing that a little more often. Especially when I'm not really in a rush. There's the turtle that couldn't move. He's still sitting there. He's still sitting there. I guess he got a little bit more time left. He can move his truck. So he's taking up another unload spot. So, waiting for forklift to do his job. folks. We got unloaded, and now we're getting reloaded, or got reloaded already. We got our concrete precast. I don't know why I had trouble saying this shit. So, in FabCon and Groveport, you're required to wear full PPE anytime out of the truck. And once you get loaded, they only want you to throw 2 straps before you get back to the security lady and check out. You throw any more than 2 straps, she will fine you. I mean, I think more secure the better, but you know, everybody got their rules, so we're about to take these straps back off so we can put some edge protectors on them, and then throw some more straps so we can get on our way. Check the weight on this again. I'm at the move because I ain't gonna be able to tighten these damn winches down. They don't give you much space to load. This whole place is tight. They don't give you a lot of room to do nothing. All right, we have. Oh shit, it's only 24,000 pounds. 24,860 pounds. Alright. We ain't got the whole bunch of straps in. Alright, let me get this strap down and secure it, and I'll be back with y'all. Alright, folks. All strapped down and ready to go. I'm gonna put this away. I was gonna get my damn truck washed yesterday too. I'm glad I didn't. This place is a mess. But I was talking to Carrier One guy. He said, man, it's rough over there. He's been with them a month. Leased the truck, and the truck been in the shop ever since. He used to be on a loaning truck. So, man said he ain't making no money. He said they keep running them back and forth from Ohio to Pittsburgh. So I don't know how they pay over there, but that ain't far. Because figure Ohio border, PA, as soon as you come out of Pittsburgh, you basically, I mean, you drive a little bit of West Virginia, but that ain't much. And you basically in Ohio, so it ain't but about 100 and something miles a day. So I don't know if they pay by percentage or miles, but you can't be getting but so much. So, but we're all loaded up. They gave us an 11 o'clock appointment for delivery tomorrow. It's appointment only delivery. So I'm at the call the broker or the agent for my load that I'm supposed to pick up tomorrow. Because the pickup in Wisconsin at 12:15. And it's a 2-hour drive from where I'm dropping off at. So there's no way I'm gonna get up there in time. So I'm gonna call them to see if they can push the appointment back to later on that day. If not, I guess I'm gonna have to load first thing Thursday morning, hopefully. Worst case, if they take the load from me. So I'm about to call them and see what they say, and then we'll go from there. So Oh, and one thing I wanted to cover before I forget, is I found this out last week, and I actually didn't do my video from last week. So I guess I put it in video this week. Mercer came out with new truck rules. From when I first heard about it, it said you couldn't have a truck that was 2011 or older. But what they're saying now is your truck cannot be older than 11 years to come to Mercer. So right now we're in 2023. So your truck can't be older than the 2012 or 2013, I think it is. So I think it's either 11 years or 10 years. I think it's 11. So started last week Wednesday. So if you plan on coming to Mercer and your truck is older than 11 years, Mercer won't take you. So I don't exactly know how they expect all that to happen, because most of the trucks that I've seen work for Mercer are older trucks. You know, a lot of guys got the older Kenworths and Peterbilts and stuff like that, classic XLs and stuff. So I don't know how that's going to work. Because even if you're already on with Mercer, if you currently have an older truck, you're fine. But if you want to bring a new truck on, that applies to you. Or if your truck that you currently have breaks down and you need to bring a truck on, it has to be 11 years or newer. So I don't exactly know why they came out with this rule all of a sudden. 'Cause I mean, they've been in business, what, 20-something years, and all of a sudden you're telling people they can't bring a truck that's 11 years or newer? It doesn't, I don't know. They didn't say why they did it. They just say that's their new rule. So I mean, I don't have that problem because my truck's a 2020. But if any of y'all plan on coming, that's the new rule. So great part about it, I was looking at a W9 the other day, and it was an 05. So I guess that ain't gonna work. So I mean, I got changes coming soon anyway. I think probably by January I'll be somewhere else anyhow. So I gotta find a trailer. If I leave Mercer, I gotta give them their trailer back. They won't let you take it anywhere else. So if I leave, I gotta give them their trailer. So where I wanna go, their wait list is like 4 months for a damn flatbed trailer, and I'm not trying to wait that long. So I'd rather have my own trailer when I get there. So I'm in the process of trying to find me a trailer. Once I find me a trailer, that's where I'll be. But until then, we're gonna hang out here. So, but let me get on the road. Got about a 6-hour drive up to Illinois. And I'll catch y'all folks later. Morning, folks. Checking back in. Made it to our delivery out in Illinois. Don't want to butcher the city, so I'm not even going to try. So now when they said it, it was like, oh, it's an appointment delivery only. It's like, all right, they gave me an appointment for 11 o'clock. So I had to reschedule. They let me reschedule my pickup in Wisconsin. So now my pickup's 2:30. I should have went with my damn first instinct and got here. Because this is a damn job site delivery. And it's first come, first serve. You don't even need a damn appointment. So now I got one to get unloaded now. I still got 1, 2, 3, 4 trucks in front of me to get unloaded. So I don't know how fast they're going to do it, how fast it's going to be. But if I ain't out of here by 12, I'm gonna have a problem. It's like, why give people appointment times if they didn't need them? I would have been here first thing this morning. but it is what it is. My glad to driver how long he been here. See if he'll tell me. What's going on, folks? I'm gonna give you a quick update. We've been here. We got here 10. Our appointment was for 10:58. We got here like 10:30. It is now 12:11. We literally have to be out of here within the next 15 minutes to get to Wisconsin on time for our reload, which we're not going to make because we still got 2 trucks in front of us. So, we're not getting reloaded today. I thought I was going to lose a load altogether, but I didn't. I called the agent, and they just rescheduled it for tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. So, you know, it sucks, but it is what it is. So, we'll just drive as close as we can. I think there's a Love's not that far from where I pick up at. It's like maybe a half hour, 25 minutes, something like that. So we're going to drive up there, shut down, and spend the rest of the day up here because we're probably not going to get out of here until probably freaking another hour or two. Because what they're doing is, I don't know if you can see it, they're taking the slabs off the truck and putting them, they're installing them directly onto the building. They're not taking them off and laying them down somewhere. So each truck, they take one slab off, they line it up, place it, weld it into place, put the little support on it. Then they take the next plate off, put it up, line it up, stuff like that. And when they get all that lined up, then they bring the next truck in. And then they do the same thing. So it's like each truck is at least a half an hour or more. So if I still got 2 trucks in front of me, I'm gonna be here at least another hour. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. So I'll pick it up Thursday morning, and hopefully, I should make it into Atlantic City. I gotta go to basically Atlantic City to deliver. So I should offload tomorrow and be home Friday night. Because I don't know if anybody ever been to Atlantic City, Jersey, but by the time I get up there and have to come back home, traffic is going to be a bitch. So, whatever. So, when I get up there and start getting unloaded, I'll check back in with y'all. Finally getting unloaded. So yeah, still, they took one off. Still waiting for the second one. The forklift driver is eating lunch, and they're still trying to place their first slab right on the other side of this wall. I don't know if you can see the sparks dropping from the weld. They're trying to weld it in the grease. So once I get that off, I can get on my way, whenever that might be. So, but they paid attention, so I'll call the shipper, the agent when I leave, and tell her what time I left. And I'll probably get about 4 hours detention. Yay! I'd rather been on time for my load today than a damn detention pay. But it is what it is. So now I'm gonna have to drive all day tomorrow and half the day Friday. Because now I have to be there. Now I have to be there on time. Like if I'd have picked my load up today, I'd have had plenty of time to make it. Now it's a little different because I pick up at 8. Hopefully I get out of there by 9. I have 10.5 hours to drive. I think it's a 16-hour drive altogether. So hopefully I make it there by the time they close. If not, I gotta hold that load till Tuesday because they closed on Monday. So it's not that'll not be nice. So out one load could screw up your whole week. So, but yeah, I'm wait for them to get this plate off, and I'll see y'all guys in Wisconsin tomorrow. YouTube, good morning. Checking in. We are in, I won't muck it up, Sturvient, Wisconsin. Picking up some boats. First time. So, appointment was for 8. It's like 7:30. So, they move real quick around here. Paper directions on how to load it and all that good stuff. And they're bringing me my first boat, looks like. It ain't been that long. Morning. What's happening? All right. Cold up here. Holy crap. It's almost time for thermals. Here comes boat number 2. throw some straps. Alright, so we're gonna throw a strap here. We're gonna throw a strap over that one. And we throw a strap back there. And one over here. That's 4 straps each, and then I might throw a 2-inch through the wheels. Not quite sure yet. And then I'm gonna have to climb up there, and I'm gonna have to climb up there anyway. And these damn boats is leaking water, so we'll figure it out. So I'm gonna throw these damn straps, and I'll be back with y'all. All right, folks, all done. Got a strap pulling that way. Got a strap coming straight down. Got a strap going this way. Another strap coming down. Back, straight down. Forward, straight down. So we prevented the forward and back movement. And we're good to go. So yeah. Get our paperwork and get up out of here. What's going on, folks? Checking back in. Made it to our delivery in Surf City. Now it's time for us to get out of here. It wasn't the easiest place to get into. It's like on a dead end block. You got to back in. It's a whole mess. The neighbors here are very fussy. Like you see, it's a dead end block. I'm backed in. The lady pulls directly in front of me, gets out of her car, and was like, "Can I get around?" Lady, I'm backed all the way up to the end. I gotta get past you to get out for you to get around. And she literally caught an attitude. Like where you want me to go? I'm so confused. Like, you're not making no sense. It's fucking pouring down, raining. Oh, there she go right there. Sitting in somebody's driveway. Like, she is so, yeah, bruh. I ain't never delivering to this place again. But yeah, it dead ends right to the water. And luckily, the street is actually closed up here. Cause you got to back in. Oh, it would have been a whole mess if this street wasn't closed. But this street is closed. So traffic is detouring. So there's not a lot of traffic on the road. So I got lucky. If it wasn't, and look, they're like, "Oh, you can just pull that and then back out." Yeah, okay. Who helping me with that? Yeah, who helping me with that shindig? So, well, we got it delivered, and today is Friday, so we heading home. We're in Surf City. We're about 2 hours from home, so we're about to go home for the weekend. Start again on Monday. So, I'd like to thank everybody for watching, supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And see y'all folks in the next video.